Alright, so in this tutorial I will be discussing the program Twinmotion, how to import a 3ds Max file and how to do such things such as apply materials, adding a HDR sky in the background, as well as adding objects such as trees and people and so on. So first of all, you want to open up your 3ds Max file and have your objects. I'm using the chair and the kettle, which I used in the last tutorial. So first of all, go up to the top and go to the file drop down menu, go to export once again, and save the thing as an Autodesk FBX file. I'll name it chair, which I've already named it. Go save. And tick these boxes over here. After that, click OK. Click OK once again. After this, open up Twinmotion from the desktop app. Go to the import button down here. Click, go open, and find your file. So over here, it's named Chair02. I'll click open and import, and now the object will import here. So as you can see, the chair is here, but you've got the ground plane here, so I'll select that and delete it. As you can see, the chair, the kettle, and the floor is now over here. So the first thing I will do is applying a sky. So go to the settings tab, go to lighting, and go to environment. So I'll use a skylight HDRI. Which is now loading. And if you look at the sky, there's a procedural generated sky in the background. So after that, I'll go to the materials tab. So if you go to the left column, you have the library, and if you open up the right, you have your layers over here. So I'll select the ground plane, go to materials, go to ground, nature, and select grass. So I've applied grass for my ground texture. Second of all, I want to apply metal. So I'll go back to materials, and try and find a metal type texture. Metal at the top. So I reckon chrome may look quite well. So apply those to the chair legs and to the kettle. And for the seat, I want to add a wood texture. So go to wood. I reckon chestnut. So apply that. And I think overall the chair looks fairly good. Have a look at the kettle. Fairly happy with the kettle and with the chair. Yep. So after that, So after this, I'll be adding in, you can add in objects such as vegetation. So I'll add a tree in, a couple trees. For this tutorial, to showcase how to import vegetation, cars, people, and so on, I opened up a model of a city. So to go and get trees, go to the library tab. On the left side, click vegetation, trees, and drag whatever trees you want. Click and drag. Can click as many as you want onto the side. Landscapes, adjust landscapes. Bushes, if you want to import some bushes in. Grass, flower, detail, rocks, so on and so on. So there's a variety of different models you can bring in. So other ones include objects. So these can be cities, such as benches, fountains, bollards, etc. So this may be a park, so I'll add a couple benches here and there. Other objects include people, and as well as animals, and vehicles. So if I want to import a car in, import that in. So over here, you can see the import models and the imported city from 3ds Max. And